Okay, so this is a quick video. I read on Facebook that if you have a canvas that you don't like the painting that you have it on, soak the back of it with, there's my dog, hi Theo, with rubbing alcohol. I use 91% rubbing alcohol. And let it soak for about half an hour, I guess, and check it out. It just peels well. A little bit of scraping, but it peels up pretty well. Look at that. There's at least 3 paintings on this canvas. I didn't like any of them, so that's too many to... And this one I used a lot of textural paint. So it's got to come off so I can start anew. Isn't that cool? I love it. Thanks whoever told us about that. Wonderful, wonderful hint. Don't wait too long though, because once the alcohol dries up, the paint begins to reharden. I was able to get the edges where the frame was because they were still damp, but the rest of it was too hard to remove. I have to re-soak it. And here's a fresh pour, still wet, on the old canvas. It's not going to be able to stand by itself, so I'm going to make a mixed media piece. When it's finished, I will put a link in the comments below. Thanks for watching and love what you do.